Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to evaluate this log expression, which has a fraction as its base and a fifth root in the argument. Okay, let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is put this equal to x, where x is the exponent. This means we can rewrite this as the base to the power of the exponent equals the argument. So doing that, we get that 1/6 to the power of x equals the fifth root of 36. Now you may notice that the square root of 36 is 6, and we have a 6 on this side. Therefore, I'm going to attempt to rearrange both sides so that the base number is 6. Okay, let's start with the left-hand side. If I invert 1/6, I get just 6. And if I now rewrite x as negative x, then these two terms are identical because the negative sign just means invert. So what we've done is we've inverted this number, and then by putting a negative sign here, we're saying invert it again. So the value hasn't changed. An alternative approach would be to take the 1/6 to the power of x, raise all of this to the power of -1, and then raise all of this again to the power of -1. Since -1 just means invert, what we've done is we've inverted this and then inverted it back again. We could also rewrite this using the rule above as 1/6 to the -1, all raised to the power of x, multiplied by -1. This gives us 1/6 to the -1, which is 6, and -1 times x is -x, which is exactly the same as we had here. Okay, moving forward, we can rewrite the right-hand side as 36 to the power of 1/5. A power of 1/5 is exactly the same as the fifth root. This then becomes 6 to the -x equals, and now I'm going to write this as 6 squared to the power of 1/5. And again, using the rule above, this becomes 6 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1/5. In other words, 6 to the -x equals 6 to the 2/5. And since our bases are now equal, we can set the powers equal to each other. Therefore, -x equals 2/5. Therefore, x equals -2/5. And that's our answer. Did you get it? I hope you did, and I hope you join me tomorrow for the next video. See you then.